D002HT Delta brand. Isa sa mga budget meal units natin na meron dito sa store. So guys, may kasama na tong case, may kasama ng LiPo battery, may kasama ng charger, spring, BB sa tsaka cleaning rod. So kompleto na siya. Ilalaro na lang. Makikita niyo to sa budget meal folder natin sa Google Drive. And then itong unit na to, may kasama na rin siyang carry handle. So metal unit, yung front assembly niya, yung outer barrel is metal. And then itong handguard niya, itong waffle type handguard is polymer. So may triangle, naka-triangle sides with engraved markings na yung receiver. Metal receiver, naka-butterfly swivel. And then crane stock version 1. So charging handle is metal, selector, trigger, bolt release is metal. Okay, so tetest natin guys. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. Auto. Ayos. By the way, yung magazine na pala is 300 rounds. Metal magazine kasama.